stay with me on this one if you want to see how I make these pickle. So some people call it pickle, we call it Escovitch sauce. So if you're from the islands, from Jamaica especially, you know we call this the Escovitch sauce. So stay with me so you can see how I make this delicious Escovitch sauce. You can use this sauce on your Escovitch fish. You can use it on jerk chicken. You can fry some chicken and you can put it on it. Whatever you want to do with it. You can use it on your fried pork. So I know it's something close to pickly, but it is quite not pickly. So watch and see. So here I'm cutting up some peppers. I like it to look festive, so I'm using 3 different color peppers: the green pepper, orange pepper, and the red pepper. And I think I did put a yellow one in there, but I'm not sure. But anyway, you will see in the jar. Now I'm going in with my onions because you can make a Escovitch sauce without onion. Onion is one of the number one ingredient. Trust me, my eyes are running right now with all these onions I'm cutting up. If you want to cry, do some fake cry, just get some onion and start cutting them up. Now, another number one ingredient is the Scotch bonnet pepper. As you can see, my peppers are big and I'm using 2 because I need it real spicy. Ain't nothing like some Escovitch sauce without pepper. Ain't nothing like Escovitch sauce with whole heap of pepper. Because I wouldn't call it Escovitch sauce if you don't have whole heap of pepper. So here it is. Now you want to use a glass jar because it's the best option. How about that? Overall, a glass jar is the best option. You don't want to use plastic, and you want this to be able to keep this marinated for at least even a month. You can keep it for even a month, but if you're a person that cook a lot like me, it might not serve for a month. It might be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because I fry a lot of fish here. So I am using 2 jars today. If you want to store them over time, you can do 2, 3, 4, however much you want. So I'm stuffing them in here. I'm stuffing as much as I can, and I'm trying to get like most of the onions in, most of the Scotch bonnet peppers in, and of course the regular peppers so it like look pretty. So I tried my best, but I couldn't put everything in, but I put it's stuff, as you can see. Now you want to change your glove because man, that pepper, please keep your hand away from your eyes because you don't want that end result. So I'm going in now with my pimento seeds because you need those allspice. They call them allspice, pimento seed in. I'm going in with a little bit of sugar here, and now the vinegar, the number one ingredient, because this is what's going to keep this Escovitch sauce marinated well fresh. The vinegar. So you're gonna go in and fill it with as much vinegar here. I fill it up not all the way to the top, but as you can see, I'm gonna go in again because I really need to fill it up way to the top. So now I am going to go ahead and shake it up to make sure that everything is all shaked up and you know, all together. So as you can see there, boom, there goes the Escovitch sauce, and here I am just going in with a little bit more vinegar just to fill it all the way up. So tighten it very well, shake them up, and there you go. Quick and easy. Anybody can do this. You can even do it with your eyes closed. Just don't make mistake and touch your eye with the pepper.
Two weeks later.
All right, so this is a 2 weeks check-in. So this is what it looked like, and because as you can see, it still look fresh. It's well marinated. The vegetables turned colors because of course they've been soaking in the vinegar for 2 whole weeks. Guys, you should smell this. Right now I feel like just fry some fish and just start eat. It smells so good. Go try it, guys. It is the best thing. Some people like to cook it up right away when they're cooking, but